Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to block or unblock WhatsApp contact on your Android mobile phone. Okay, so guys, you need to open your WhatsApp. So here I have my WhatsApp. Let me open that, and after that you need to tap on these three dots over here and then tap on this settings and then tap on this account and then tap on this privacy. And guys, you need to scroll down, and under messaging you can see that we have this blocked contacts. Currently I have none. Okay, so you can see that over here, list of contacts that you have blocked. Okay, so currently I have none, so you just need to tap over here. Okay, and you can see guys, we have this tap this add person, this icon we have at the top of your screen to select a contact to block. Okay, blocked contacts will no longer be able to call you or send you messages. Okay, so you just need to tap over here. Okay, and you can see all of your contacts over here, and you can select any contact that you want to block. Okay, so suppose if I want to block this guy. Okay, so I just need to tap on that, and you can see guys, it's now blocked. Okay, and suppose guys, if I go back, and you can see over here blocked contacts. Okay, so suppose guys, if you want to unblock the person, this person, so again you need to come over here. Okay, and you need to tap and hold it. Okay, and we got this option, unblock whatever your contact name is. Okay, so you just need to tap on that, and you can see guys, it's now unblocked. Okay, and also let me show you the second way by which you can block the WhatsApp contact. Okay, just open the contact that you wanna block. Okay, if you have under chats, you can open that. Okay, and also you can tap over here and you can open the contact over here. Okay, let me go back and let me suppose if I wanna block this guy. Okay, so let me open the chat option. Okay, and you have three dots over here. Okay, just tap on that, and here we have this more, just tap on that, and here we have this option block. Okay, so if I tap on that, you can see block whatever your contact name is. Blocked contacts will no longer be able to call you or send you messages, and you can tap over here, block. Okay, you can see it's now blocked. Okay, and suppose if you want to unblock, then you can also go to your settings. Okay, go to accounts, go to privacy, under messaging you can see we have this blocked contacts. Okay, we just blocked. Okay, so here I have, so you can just tap and hold it and you get this option, unblock. Okay, so let me show you another way by which you can unblock. So let me go back, and we blocked this guy. So just open the chat option and just tap over here, three dots, and tap on this more, and here we get this option, unblock. Okay, so suppose if I tap on that, you can see guys, it's now unblocked. Okay, you can see we get this option, block. So these are the methods by which you can block or unblock WhatsApp contact on your Android phone. Okay guys, so that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.